We're trying to fix this LCD TV, LG, model number. And what happened was we cleaned the hole, HDMI hole. Enjoyed cleaning this hole, obviously. And it didn't work. We got no result. Try it again. Oh, see? Alright, and then no signal. We can't show you because it's facing backwards. This thing's heavy. And I don't care if you see it or not. But yeah, it says no signal. So now we're going to try to cook the heating board. Because everybody else is doing it, why not? Piece of junk, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I am not a certified TV repairman. I do not claim to be. And if you try it and you die, it's not my fault. That's my disclaimer. And yeah, it works though. It's all good. We're going to give it a shot. The other ports work, but we need this one because we have a PS4 and it doesn't have no other plugs in it. And I didn't come with the cord. Give it a shot. Here it goes. Yeah, alright, we took the cover off. And this is what it looks like. Alright, so now we gotta take this metal part out. Right here. Alright, so we're gonna take that out and show you again. Alright, here we are again. We don't know what we're doing, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna heat this up because we saw a lot of people heating stuff up and getting good results. So we're gonna burn stuff up right here and check it out. I'm gonna put it on low and see how it goes. Stinks. Alright, so we're still heating this up. Hopefully it works. It's hot. You can touch it. It's like... it's still hot to the touch. You don't want to overheat this pig. You know? There's enough to get it nice and toasty, I guess. You know? Make it like, you know, little dabby dabs, you know? And the connection. You know? And a little thumbs up you there. Alright, well. So far looking good. Hopefully this works. I'm heating everything up because I don't know what the hell's going on here. This is just cheap stuff to do. Killing time. I don't even know. Oh, there's a reset button. I'll press it. Woo! Maybe that'll do something. I'll plug it in and reset it later. What I'm resetting, I don't even know. And pause. Alright, wow. Is that a good sign or no? No signal. No signal. Damn. Let me press that reset.
Doesn't say anything.
What?
Whoa. It turned white for a second.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're still white?
Oh, wait. Oh, HDMI DVD connecting.
Process. Here's some. No signal.
What now?
Now what? If we heat it up some more. I don't know. I don't want to change the whole board. That's weird. Something.
Do you want to take it up and do the back?
I guess we would take the board off.
Alright, we'll do that.
Shut it down. Oh, it might be wiggling. Did anything happen?
No, nothing happened.
No?
No.
Really?
Yep.
Alright, we're heating the back of the board with this heat gun. Toasting this up. I don't know exactly what this is doing, but I don't know. It seems like heat is a trick.